Hello, scholars, and welcome back. Last lesson, we talked about NBT3. This lesson, we're going to focus on NBT4. Add within 100, including adding a two-digit number and a one-digit number, and adding a two-digit number and a multiple of 10, using concrete models or drawings and strategies based on place value, properties of operation, and or relationship between addition and subtraction. Relate the strategy to a written method and explain the reasoning. Let's look at our learning targets. Our first learning target is going to be I can add a two-digit number and a one-digit number within 100 using concrete models, drawings, and strategies based on place value, properties of operation, and relationships between addition and subtraction. Your second learning target, I can add a two-digit number and a multiple of 10 within 100 using concrete models, drawings, and strategies based on place value, properties of operations, and relationships between addition and subtraction. Our third learning target, I can relate the addition strategy to a written method and explain the reasonings used. I think you should get a piece of paper and a pencil so you can take notes and be mindful of the strategies and the different tools that we're going to use. Here's our anchor chart. We're going to be focusing on place value with NBT4, and this is what it can look like in standard form, 137, word form, 137, base 10 model, 137, expanded form, 100 plus 30 plus 7.
So I can bring my 1. Hello, mathematicians. This is Miss Erin. Today, we're going to be adding 1 and 2-digit numbers and reviewing place value. Let's start by reviewing place value. So we know that 1 plus 2 is equal to 10. And there are two numbers. 1 is to a group of 10. 1 group of 10 and 0 ones. So here in the tens column, and then I have to add my 2 groups of 10. So now I have 2 groups of 10 because 1 plus 1 is 2. And 1. I'll give you a little bit of time to do this one by yourself. Column. Did you come up with 27 on this one? 3 plus 9. Here we're going to have to carry from the ones to the top. So I can bring my 2 from the ones place, and I have to carry over that 1. Now our colors is a little bit different because we have 2 digits.
Now, for the sake of time, we're going to go ahead and begin our lesson. Today I want to show you a number line to add. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my pen, pick the red color, and I see that my numbers are going to be 13 plus 6. And remember, we always start with the ones place first. But I'm going to go ahead and find the number 13 here. And I'm going to draw a dot here on the number 13. And then I am going to count, let's change our color, count 6 hops from 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I've hopped 6 places on the number line, starting from the number 13. And I have landed here now on the number 19. So now I can say that 13 plus 6 equals 19. Oh. Let's erase that. Okay, get our pen back or our laser pointer. Equals, let's change the color. 19. Okay. So now I use the number line to add a 2-digit number to a 1-digit number. Okay, and remember that if we stack those numbers up as well, we stack those numbers, get my eraser here, erase this stray mark. We stack those numbers focusing on the place value, it would look like this: 13 plus 6 and we would simply want to start with our ones digit first. So let's separate this using kind of a T-chart, and I'm going to separate my 10s and 1s so that you can see it. And I'm going to write 1s here. And then 10s here. Now, starting with the ones, we see that 6, counting on, put the larger number in our thinking bubble and count on 3 more. So 6, 7, 8, 9, That's 9 in the ones place. And there's nothing to add in the tens place, so we only have 1 10. So we'll bring it down. And now we have the same sum as up here. Using the number line, we use the place value, and we still have the sum of 19. 13 plus 6 is 19. Now let's try this one together using tens and ones to add. So here we have the number 23. And I have my pen. Let's get another color. So first I'm going to draw 23 using tens and ones because that is my 2-digit number. So 10, 20, 1, 2, 3. Plus 6 more ones. I'll use another color so we can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's count what we have all together with this 2-digit number 23, adding it to this 1-digit number of 6 ones. So 23 plus 6, 23, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, plus 6 ones, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29. It's going to give us a total of 29. Put an equal sign here for us. Okay. So we figured out what 23 plus 6 was using tens and ones. Good job, guys. Now let's try one on your own using tens and ones to add 32 plus 5. I'll give you a second to do this. Okay, and your response should have been 10, 20, 30 for 30, 31, 32 for the 2-digit number 32, plus 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is going to equal the number 37. Getting a little few stray marks here, but see if we can erase them. Yeah, we can't erase too much. Put our 3 back. Oh, we still got that stray mark. Okay, so now let's go ahead moving forward. Look at your exit ticket. It says draw tens and ones to add. Write the sum in the circle. So I want you to go ahead and draw your tens and ones under each number. And you're going to count them and add them all together to write your sum in this circle. Okay. Remember to please post all your answers, your questions, comments, or concerns in your Class Dojo portfolios. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Have a good day. Till next time. Bye-bye.